Hi, I'm Tommy.
I'm Connor.
And I'm Ryan.
And this is a Neon Flex installation video brought to you by Novelty Lights. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our LED Neon Flex. We currently have 7 colors in our Neon Flex, having aluminum or plastic track options. Our Neon Flex runs off the standard 120 volt outlet. It outputs 2.4 watts per foot with a maximum run length of 150 feet. There are cut marks every 18 inches, it's dimmable, used for indoor and outdoor purposes, and also offers a 1-year warranty. For installation, you'll need a few tools, starting with your cutter, your Neon Flex, a tape measure, your power source, mounting tape, something to make marks, an X-Acto blade, and of course your track. Step 1 is going to be cutting your Neon Flex. There are cut marks every 18 inches. Just make sure you're cutting on the line. Within your kit, you should have the Neon Flex, your rubber seal, an end cap, a 2-prong connector, and your plug. You'll start with taking your 2-prong connector and pushing it into the metal cables encased within the Neon Flex. Once you have your connector in, carefully connect your power cable. Next, you will take the rubber seal and place it on the opposite end of the Neon Flex. You should leave room so you could fit the end cap on the end to fold over the additional rubber seal. Although our Neon Flex is super durable, you should still handle it with care. If bent incorrectly, you will break it. Once the power has been connected, you're going to want to take your mounting track and size it up to the Neon Flex to make sure you have the proper amount. Once your cut line has been made, carefully cut the mounting track to fit the Neon Flex. You will be able to screw this in wherever you plan on mounting it. We decided to use mounting tape to avoid any damages done to the building. After getting your mounts prepared, you're going to want to double check and measure along the sides of wherever you're placing it to make sure everything is even and will look neat at the end of the installation. Here you can see us making additional markings on the Neon Flex to make sure we're putting the track on at the right spots. Once everything has been measured out, you're going to want to put on the track before you actually mount the Neon Flex onto the window or wherever you plan on mounting it. Make sure you're pushing the Neon Flex into the track firmly so nothing comes loose during the installation. Once your Neon Flex is ready to mount, remove the opposite side of the mounting tape and press firmly onto the surface where you plan on putting it. Thanks for watching our Neon Flex installation video. If you have any additional questions, our information will be listed at the end.